Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Waking up every morning and having more money in your bank account without doing anything? It sounds like a dream, but with passive income, it can become a reality. Passive income allows you to generate money without trading your precious time every day. But the question is it possible to build multiple streams of passive income within a year? Or is it just a fantasy? In this video, we will explore the 6 most popular ways to generate passive income, how to apply them, and the secrets to success. Don't take your eyes off the screen because this could be life-changing information for you. Part 1. Understanding passive income. Many people think that passive income means doing nothing but still making money, but the truth is not that simple. Passive income is a way for you to generate cash flow without having to work constantly. However, to get it, you need to invest effort, time, or money initially to set up a money-making system. So what are the common misconceptions about passive income? Do nothing and still have money? Wrong. You still have to work hard from the beginning. Only for the rich? Wrong. Anyone can start with a small capital. One model fits all? Not necessarily. Each person needs to choose the method that is right for them. Discover 6 popular ways to generate passive income. Now, Part 2. 6 popular ways to generate passive income. Digital products. Do you have any special skills or knowledge? Turn it into an ebook, an online course, or software. Once you have it, you can sell it countless times without having to start over. For example, an English teacher could create an online pronunciation course, sell it on Udemy or Gumroad, and make thousands of dollars a month. Tip: create content once and sell it over and over again for a continuous cash flow. Real estate. Investing. Buying rental properties or investing in REITs can help you make money from real estate without having to directly manage it. If you have some spare cash, consider investing in real estate to generate long-term income. Tip: start with REITs if you don't have enough capital to buy actual real estate. Affiliate marketing. You don't have to create a product. Simply recommend other people's products through your blog, YouTube, or social media and get a commission when someone buys. This is a very popular way to make money without any initial capital. Tip: find products that fit your niche so that you can easily attract buyers. Build an online community. If you have an online community like a Facebook group, Discord channel, or Patreon, you can monetize through advertising, sponsorship, or a paid membership model. Building a strong community is a great way to have a stable source of income. Tip: provide real value to attract members to join for the long term. Invest in dividend stocks. Buying stocks of large companies like Apple, Microsoft can help you receive regular dividends without having to sell the stocks. This is a stable and sustainable source of income if you have the right investment strategy. Tip: choose companies with a history of paying regular dividends. Peer-to-peer lending. You can become a mini bank by lending money on peer-to-peer lending platforms and earning interest. This way, you can earn passive income from the money you lend instead of letting it sit idle in a bank account. Tip: choose a reputable platform and spread the risk by lending multiple small amounts of money instead of one large amount. Consider John's story. John is a software engineer. He spent 100 hours creating a course to teach programming. John now earns about $5,000 a month by updating the course every few months. This gives him financial freedom, the ability to travel and spend time with his family. This proves that if you invest your time now, you can create a sustainable source of passive income. Are you ready to start your passive income journey? Step 1. Choose the method that works for you. Step 2. Set specific goals and take action today. Step 3. Be persistent. Success doesn't come overnight. Leave a comment below and let me know which method you want to try first. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful personal finance videos. Want to see more on this topic? Click on the suggested video on the screen now.